Okay, this is also lesson 103 for Monday, but now I'm doing the section titled Using Prepositional Phrases as Adjectives. And in the new edition book, that's on page 215. So, sometimes an entire prepositional phrase can do an adjective job in a sentence. In our first sentence, the costume of leather and armor weighed 30 pounds. This entire prepositional phrase, of leather and armor, is doing an adjective's job in the sentence because it's answering the question, which costume or what kind of costume? And those are adjective questions. So the whole phrase is modifying costume. And if you remember, a prepositional phrase starts with a preposition, and you may need to review the preposition list from the book a few times so you can spot them. And a preposition always has a noun, an object, after it. That will always be the last word of your prepositional phrase. Ours is compound. It is of leather and it's of armor. So it's a compound object to the preposition of. So of leather and armor is a prepositional phrase telling what kind of costume. In our next sentence, Nicholas likes the house with the green shingles. So with the green shingles is a prepositional phrase because with is a preposition and the object is the last word of the prepositional phrase. With what? With shingles. These are modifiers of this noun. That's okay. This whole prepositional phrase is modifying the word house because it's telling you which house or what kind of house. Which one? The one with the green shingles. That's which one. So this whole phrase is doing the job of an adjective in this sentence, modifying house. And in the last sentence, oh, by the way, these are the first three sentences of your exercise A on page 215, using prepositional phrases as adjectives. Exercise A. So, sentence number 3 says, the bouquet of bright yellow jonquils cheered the patient. And the directions actually say, draw a box around each adjective phrase. Draw an arrow to the noun or pronoun that the phrase modifies. So if I were to draw, pardon me again. If I were to draw a box around the prepositional phrase, I would put a box around of bright yellow jonquils, because that is the prepositional phrase. Of is a preposition, and the object is jonquils. It's of jonquils. And that includes any modifiers in the middle. So this whole phrase is answering an adjective question about the noun bouquet. Which bouquet? What kind of bouquet? The one that's made of bright yellow jonquils. That's which one. So, okay, exercise B of this activity gives you a word. Number 1 is the word beside, which is a preposition, and the directions say write a sentence containing an adjective phrase. Use this preposition. Circle the phrases, draw arrows to the words they modify. So, we want to use this in a prepositional phrase, but we want that whole prepositional phrase to be answering an adjective question about a noun. So first, let's put beside in a prepositional phrase. How do you do that? You give it an object. Beside what? Beside the bed. That's a prepositional phrase. Now, let's make beside the bed answer an adjective question about a noun. Maybe the noun table. Maybe it's a lamp table that's sitting beside the bed. So if table is my noun, could beside the bed be answering an adjective question about table? Well, sure. Which table? The one beside the bed. So, aha. This is a prepositional phrase doing an adjective job modifying table. So all that's left to do is just fill in the rest of the sentence. My reading glasses were on the table beside the bed. Now, one more. I'll do one more. Number 2 is with in exercise B. So first let's put with in a prepositional phrase. How about with my friend? With my friend. We have a preposition and an object. With who? With friend. This whole prepositional phrase needs to do an adjective job. It needs to modify a noun. How about pause it, cameraman, while I think of a sentence. How about maybe I had dinner with my friend. Dinner's a noun, right? Could I say which dinner? The dinner with my friend. Okay, so dinner. This is a prepositional phrase being an adjective telling me which dinner. The dinner with my friend. The with my friend dinner. That's which one. And then all that's left is just to put it in the rest of the sentence. Like the dinner I ate with my friend was delicious.